producing a video. Basically, it shows how easy it is to put a bumper on a Ram 1500, a 2019 Ram 1500 that I just sold. And I also had a broken mirror, and I'll upload that. If you ever wanted to replace one of your side mirrors, they're pretty simple, and I show you how to do that. But that'll be in the next video. But this right now is the Ram 1500, and just getting ready to get it edited with the Adobe Premiere software. And oh, look at that! I won $5 on one of these lottery tickets here. So I got my 1, 2, 3, 4. I won a buck profit, man. That's pretty good. Pretty good. And of course, thank you YouTube for your monetizing these channels, and thank you subscribers for helping me out. But I'm helping you out too. If you have a Ram 1500, right? And I just sold mine. I need a bigger truck. That's why I sold it. And I didn't sell it because it has plastic oil pan for the transmission, and there's no skid plate in it. I didn't sell it because of that or anything. Anyways, they're all like that these days, I imagine. But so I'm going to do this doggone video, and I got to do background music. You got to buy it, or I'm so cheap. Matter of fact, I got a degree in graphic communication just so I could make business cards. And this is probably one of my first business cards I made way back when. And anyway, I remember that was my tractor and the sunset from behind my house and some other texts and whatnot. When I was CaliforniaContractor.com, and I still own that domain, but probably try to sell it. I should do that. Anyways, I'm going to do some background music. I got my guitar set up over there, so that way the time lapse, will be maybe entertaining. I don't know. But the point is I'm not really getting into the detail of this. There are a couple things you should know about this video, or the putting a bumper on is there's only about 4 bolts and that hold it on. Then there's these bolts that hold the bumpers are so flimsy nowadays. They have to have bracing on them. I don't know why they call them bumpers. They should call them denters, because they don't do anything like they used to. And then when you take the sensors out, you can pull them out and release the clips. Be very gentle. They're plastic. But when you put them back in, don't put the sockets in first through the outside, then snap them in with the wiring, because you'll probably break them. So what you got to do is you got to put the circuit wire clip in your hand, and then the sensor, and then just squeeze it, with your thumb or whatever, until you feel it click, because they're really hard to get in. Then push the sensor into the back side of the bumper, where the plastic part goes to the front side and holds it in. That way you won't break it. And then also make sure when you put the sensor wiring back on, you don't put the sending unit plug on the wrong side here. You have to get in there like I did and pop them off and put them on. So anyways, simple job. Hope you enjoy the video.